A married couple battling COVID found out from their hospital beds that their 12 dogs had been killed over fears the pets could spread the virus. Authorities in Vietnam decided to put down the animals without alerting their owners in a case which has been dubbed barbaric by furious critics. Others have called the cull cruel and heartbreaking. Pham Minh Hung, 49, said both he and his 35-year-old wife Win Thi are so upset after learning their beloved pets are dead that they have been unable to sleep. The devastated bricklayer said, "My wife and I cried so much that we couldn't sleep. I didn't want to believe that really happened. I couldn't do anything to protect my kids, the dogs." He added to the BBC, "I raised my kids for about 6 years, I definitely want justice for my kids." Their case has sparked fury in Vietnam after it was publicized on social media app TikTok, resulting in a petition calling for an end to the practice. So far it has gained more than 150,000 signatures. Actress Hong An, a member of global animal welfare organization 4paws, called the action barbaric. The couple's nightmare began as the latest wave of COVID has been the worst to hit Vietnam since the start of the pandemic. A strict lockdown in recent months has meant at least 1 million desperate migrant workers have fled to the big cities in seek of work. Including the animal lovers who embarked on an 280 kilometers, 173-mile journey along with their dogs and 3 relatives, who also brought 3 dogs and 1 cat, on October 8. The couple headed for Con Hung in Ca Mau province, the hometown of the relative, as COVID cases are not as high there. Witnesses have posted videos about the couple's journey online, winning them scores of fans on social media. Footage shows them on their motorbike with their dogs and belongings all piled as witnesses cheered them on and wished them luck. The couple started their voyage with 15 dogs, but as their trip went on, they gave 2 dogs to a volunteer after entering Ca Mau province. Another sadly died. However, when the couple and their relatives arrived at Con Hung, they had to undergo mandatory COVID tests, which is when they both tested positive. Their beloved pooches were left at a quarantine as they were transferred to hospital. State media said local authorities killed their 12 dogs and their relatives' pets without informing them, but the article was later removed. It is not known how they were killed, but an official police newspaper carried an image suggesting they were burned. On Sunday, Tran Tan Kong, a local official, said during a press conference, disease control must be prioritized in the first place, and the decision to kill the animals immediately was a necessary preventive measure. Winhong Vu, a staff scientist of the City of Hope National Medical Center in the U.S., said the killings were unethical and ridiculous because there are no rules that state pets must be killed if owners are infected. He added, "There is no scientific evidence dogs and cats can be an intermediary for the transmission of COVID to humans. However, people with COVID can sometimes infect them." Vietnam initially won praise from the World Health Organization, WHO, for its quick response to the virus and widespread contact tracing. But the Delta variant has now crippled the nation with a reported 840,000 cases and more than 20,000 deaths in total. Read more. Read more.